Let's do a simple card trick. Okay, we'll need these jokers. Let's get them out of here. All we need is a deck of cards. So at this point in time, what I would do is I would spread out the cards. I would ask a spectator to choose a random card. Could be any card. And this is one that we chose before. How about this one? Nice and clean. I like a card that has a lot of room to write on it because we're going to write on this card. Alexa, name a number randomly between 4 and 20.
Here's a number between 4 and 20. It's 9.
Let's write the number 9 here. Alexa, name a number randomly between 16 and 25.
A random number between 16 and 25 is 20.
And we'll write 20 over here. And put a happy face and another happy face. So our card looks like this. A 9, a 20, and 2 happy faces. So now you're wondering, what is he going to do with that particular card? Actually, what I want to do with this card is I want to lose it somewhere in the deck. Okay, can you guess how many cards down that was? Neither can I. I do know it's not the top card. I do know it's not the bottom card. So where is it? That's the question. This is where our Joker friends will come into play. We'll place one Joker out there and place the other Joker on top. With the snap of my fingers, you'll notice that between the two Jokers, a card has appeared. And it looks like it's our 5 of spades with the 2 happy faces, a 9 and a 20.